Well, the Supreme Court will hear an application from the Tamil Nadu Cricket Association seeking permission to use the three stands at the MH Chidambaram Stadium in the IPL match between the Chennai Super Kings and the Delhi Daredevils this evening. Now, the Chennai Corporation had sealed three stands of the stadium after alleging that the TNCA had constructed the stands without any permission from the civic body. But in a further blow to the TNCA, the PWD has also written that the stability certificate for all the stands is not valid. Shabir joins us live from Chennai for more on the story. Shabir, this does put a question mark on today's crucial encounter. Now, to begin with, give us a status update on the case per se.
Well, there are more than one reasons for the IPL management and the TNCA to worry at this point in time. First, they have to deal with the case that is coming up for hearing in the Supreme Court, where the Supreme Court will hear a petition in which they are asking for a relief from the Supreme Court for the three stands that needs to be used for today's match. IJK are the three stands that are being sealed by the Chennai Corporation after the Supreme Court stayed the Madras High Court verdict. So at this point in time, there is a huge blow for the TNCA. On the other hand, the PWD department has cancelled the stability certificate of the stadium, all the other stands that are in place. So at this point in time, they will have to move to the Madras High Court to get a relief. So there is a lot of trouble for today's IPL match. There is also uncertainty. On the other hand, the Chennai police has issued a showcase notice asking for a clarification from the IPL body and the TNCA, asking them what kind of arrangements have been made to ensure that the crowd management is done in a proper manner. So what alternative arrangements have been made, because there are 12,000 people who have bought valid tickets but they cannot view the match. So what kind of arrangements have been made in terms of accommodating the others? So all these questions are being raised at this point in time, but one will have to wait and see what kind of verdict they will get from the Supreme Court, also from the Madras High Court.